Today we had Mr. and Mrs Bluetit in. First we had Willow here, the male Bluetit that we've been seeing over the past couple of days, followed by Wendy. And Wendy is still just doing her quick checks of the nest box, and Willow, try as he might, he is really trying to coax her in to some nesting behaviour. But our lady Wendy will not be rushed, and we have to remember that Wendy raised successfully chicks for the past 2 years, so she knows the right time to nest. It's been pretty dismal weather here in Ireland, and if I was to guess, that is what is delaying the nesting season. As we can see, Willow here is just an eager beaver trying to get her into the box and get her to start building a nest to get the show on the road. She does humour him this time, a second time round, and pops in again, but the minute he leaves, she's out again. Well, we'll see you again tomorrow.